Hello friends. Now today we are going to learn in a fourth unit condition monitoring and testing of electrical equipment the different process of transformer oil filtration. We will see here filtration, or it is also called as reconditioning, and purification of insulation oil. Basically there are three methods which I have shown over here. First one, centrifugal purifiers, streamline purifiers, and last one is the filters using activated earth medium. So we will see the first method of centrifugal purifiers. Here in this centrifugal purifiers, if you observe the construction diagram, overall construction diagram of a centrifugal purifiers is as shown in a figure. It content, we will see the first the content of a centrifugal purifier. Here the transformer tank, first one, in which whatever the oil is present, that we are going to be filtered or purified. This is the regulating valve to regulate the transformer oil. Third one is called a strainer, in which we can add the different chemicals for filtration purpose. Fourth one is nothing but the input pump. Input pump to where? It is electrical pump, where it is input pump to the heating chamber. This one is called as heating chamber, in which all the four sides are heated up and oil is getting heated up. Okay. Now this will be heated oil should be shifted over there in a spray chamber. This is called as your spray chamber, in which small spray particles are being bombarded on a centrifugal ball. This is called ball. I am showing here. This one is the small ball which is rotating in nature, which is connected to this shaft. Okay, the overall speed of this rotor is around 8,000 rpm. That much of high speed, and whatever the chamber is there, that will be sprayed a spray of oil, and it will contain this oil. This oil should be shifted in a another tank that is called as vacuum tank. Okay, that vacuum tank, the vacuum should be maintained by means of this pump. Okay, this is called as vacuum pump. Again, it is an electrical pump. After this, it will be going to be discharged to a discharge pump, because as the pressure is very less, we have to make the more pressure and to get this oil extracted toward the transformer tank. So this is the overall construction. So we'll see the process how the transformer oil is going to be purified by means of centrifugal action. Here in this method of purification, one of the greatest advantages here, wherever you are installed the transformer, we do not need to move that transformer tank. This all assembly I have discussed can be moved anywhere. So you need not to move a transformer tank. Where it is installed, at that point, at that location, we can purify. Okay. Now, if you observe here, the transformer oil get extracted to this transformer tank, to this strainer, to the regulating valve. A chemical is being added to purify the transformer oil, and this will be shifted over the heating chamber by means of input pump. Here, the oil will be getting heated up. Why we are going to heat up the oil? When you are going to heat up the oil, the gases are developed, the moistures are developed. So whatever the gases are developed, that can be removed very easily. The main purpose of heating the insulating oil is to develop the gases. What is the contaminated oil is there, what is the contaminated of gases is there, that can be developed and it can be extracted further. So the heated transformer oil in a heating chamber should be shifted over this pipe to the spray chamber. Now the small spray should be sprayed over the centrifugal ball. This is a rectangular type of ball we are seeing. This is the centrifugal rotating ball, which will be rotating at a near about 8,000 rpm. Because of this high speed rotation and because of the spraying of a oil, the centrifugal action will be takes place, and because of centrifugal action, the heavy particles that will be bifurcated in this separate output chamber. Are you getting? So whatever the heavy particles are there, whatever the impurities are present of heavy weighted, that can be extracted in a separate ball. Okay, over here. And as we know, this ball is going to be rotated by means of motor which have very, very high speed. Whatever the light weighted oil is there, that can be drained out in a bottom. Are you getting? So at the bottom, we are getting the purified oil. That oil going to be shifted over here in a vacuum chamber. So vacuum chamber will remove the moisture present in a transformer oil. Total moisture can be removed in a vacuum chamber, and vacuum is going to be maintained by means of this pump. That is called as vacuum pump. As we know, the vacuum pump is having the very, very less pressure as compared to the atmospheric pressure. So we require a discharge pump. Discharge pump will develop the high pressure, which will move this transformer oil to this valve, outlet valve, to this pipe to upward direction here in a transformer oil. So we are getting what? A filter transformer oil. Are you getting? So the greatest advantage of this, we are using the centrifugal action by which heavy particles are going to be separated. In a vacuum, moistures are going to be removed. And this all process, all the design can be moved anywhere. You do not need to move the installed transformer. Where it is installed, it can be used. We are having incoming and outgoing transformer terminal that can be used for a filtration purpose. Are you getting? So this is the overall process of a centrifugal purifier. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.